The digital world. How are you familiar with the word digital world? Increasing day by day technologies which generate more challenging activities. Something is possible, not possible, or maybe possible. Someone says I can do it, someone says it's beyond my capacity. Let's talk about this. Hi, I am Pankaj. It's pleasure to meet you. I am the student of computer science and I am too excited to tell about myself. I know 2020 and 2021 is more challenging for everyone, but in these pandemic situations, we have more chances to improve your skills and improve your knowledge. But in these pandemic situations, we have to work from home. I have a habit that I keep learning from everything and maybe all the time. So I learned many new technologies in these pandemic situations. I am interested to learn coding, programming languages, and all the new technologies and accept challenge to do them. I learned many programming languages like C, C++, Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I want to be a front-end web developer. I am hardworking and easily fitted in any role. I want to be cookieless, who is not dependent to anyone. But nowadays, personal safety and security matters first. So, not go outside and work from home. A man must be hungry to be good. I must have a mentor who helps me to face difficult situations, who create me better. I would like to say one more thing, which is always invest in yourself. A man can't do anything without a plan. So make it plan before do anything. I loved it. Now I am connected to many physical networks and tech networks. Always have to do innovations. I learned how to personalize yourself and do it better. And have lots of plans. Just click and activate all the process. Always keep learning from everything. On the behalf of it, I want to join you. Thank you.